You're watching Explorer Vacations. The best way to experience Alaska is on a cruise tour, and the Alaska Cruise Tour combines two unforgettable adventures in one trip: a cruise plus a land tour taken before or after your sailing. During the cruise portion, you'll enjoy the comfort and ease of cruising while taking in Alaska's breathtaking coastal scenery. Think towering glaciers, fjords, and dramatic mountain views, often right from the ship. When your land tour takes you deeper into Alaska's interior, one of the biggest highlights is Denali National Park. This is where you'll experience Alaska's wild beauty up close. Wide open landscapes, fresh mountain air, and the chance to see incredible wildlife like moose, bears, and caribou. Many cruise lines offer these popular tours. One of the most memorable parts is the ride on the Alaska Railroad, often in glass dome train cars with spectacular views and outdoor viewing platforms. And Alaska Cruise Tours is the perfect way to see more of Alaska by land and by sea. Who's booking your next Alaskan adventure? Cruise Planners, your cruise and vacation experts since 1994. Please visit us at ExplorerVacations.com